In this video we are going to make this bolt and nut with this cool animation. Okay. For this video I have taken 10 mm bolt, and this 10 mm bolt has length around 50 mm, 36 mm thread length, and this bolt requires 17 mm spanner. Okay, because this hexagonal shape has 17 mm diameter. So let's try to make this bolt in SOLIDWORKS. Let's create new part file. After selecting front plane, I will create a sketch on this. First of all, we will draw hexagon. So for that, go to polygon, take number of side as 6 and draw here. Perfect. Now change the dimension of this circle to 17 mm as a diameter. Okay, yes, exit the sketch. Now extrude this sketch around 6 mm because this bolt has head around 6 mm width. Now I will change this color of this material. Now let's create here a sketch. I will change view to normal view and draw a circle here. Change this dimension to 10 mm because we have 10 mm bolt, and exit the sketch. Now extrude this sketch to 50 mm. Now we'll create thread on this surface. So go to hole wizard and click on this drop down arrow and click on this thread. So first of all we have to give thread location. So click on this outer circle. Okay, then go to end condition and give 36 mm as a length because this bolt has 36 mm. Now if you are seeing here carefully, this thread is starting from here, but actually bolts thread start from this surface, this blue line. So for that you have to select this offset button. Okay, and then you have to change this direction. Now you have offsetted 1 mm, means 1 mm thread is going in this direction. So you have to increase this 36 to 37. Now metric die 10 mm 10 into 1.0 cut thread, then yes, now it is looking perfect. Okay, so click on this, draw a circle here to this, up to this point, then go to extrude, cut, and you want to remove this upper part. Okay, for that just click on this flip side cut. Now change to draft on and give 45 angle. So in that way this will cut like this. Now here is a small fillet, so go to fillet, click on this circle and take 2 mm radius and fillet tab is as this. Yes, now this is too much big now, so edit this, take 0.5 mm. Okay, now save this as bolt. I will draw nut here. So let's create nut. Click on new part file, take front plane, draw a sketch on this, click on this polygon and draw a polygon here. Take number of sides as 6, then modify this diameter to 10, now 17 mm. Now exit the sketch, extrude this sketch around 10 mm. Now change this material to magnify bros. Great. Okay, now we'll create here hole. Now select this sketch, change view to normal view. Now draw a sketch here, change this circle diameter to 10 mm. Exit the sketch. Now extrude cut this sketch. Now we'll create thread on this, so go to hole wizard, drop down arrow, then thread, then select this circle. Now we have to offset this, so offset 1 mm. We have created a cut thread on bolt, so for nut you have to create extrude thread on nut. Okay, so extrude thread, yes. Now you don't want this one and this also. For that, just create sketch here, draw a circle, exit the sketch, extrude cut, and change the direction. Yes, so this one is gone. Now you have to remove this also, so just use that sketch also. So extrude cut, so you are not seeing here sketch, so click on this drop arrow, then we have sketch. Okay, this sketch. Now what we want, we don't want this material, so from plane this face. Okay, from this face you have to cut. That's why I have selected this face in the from menu. Now you don't want this also, so blind, then click any material. Okay, so let's create a sketch on this nut. Draw a circle around this diameter, then go to feature, extrude cut, then flip sides to cut because we don't want this one, then offset 45 angle, okay. If you want this feature here, then you can mirror this also. So for mirror, create a plane, select this face and this face, you will get a middle plane. Now go to mirror, click on this, extrude cut. Okay, first of all you have to select face or plane. I have selected plane, then feature to mirror. I want this feature to be mirror, this. I don't want this. Okay, perfect. Now go select to nut. I don't want this plane also. No, just hide this. Okay, now let's create new assembly and we'll drop this bolt here, then we'll insert nut also here. Now just go to mate and click on this circle and this circle and make this as concentric. Perfect. Now this bolt is moving in the same axis. Now, so after this point, nut should not go in this way. So for that, go to mate and scroll down to advanced mate, then click this distance. Okay, first of all go to here, mate selection, and click this face and this face. Here minimum value should be how much? 24 mm. Okay, and maximum should be how much? As per your choice. So 50 mm. So this bolt select now. So let's edit this limit distance to, so 36 minus 50 means around 14. Okay, perfect. Now yes, this is not going there. Perfect. Now let's try to make this thread mate. For thread mate you have to go to mechanical mate and click on this screw, then select upper part of this bolt thread. Okay, and select this inner part of this nut. So here is the inner part, and just click yes. Now your nut is moving. Perfect. So let's create a small animation. Go to motion study. Okay, so we'll make 10-second video. Let's try to add motor on this nut. Click on this motor, select face, this face. Okay, direction is great. Now change the RPM to 300 RPM and click yes. Now just calculate. Perfect.